So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to navigate BitMEX, how to use BitMEX, and we're going to covering up three things. The first one is I'm going to teach you on how to place an order, to set a stop loss, and to place a take profit. So what is BitMEX? BitMEX is a cryptocurrency trading platform or exchange where you can trade different cryptocurrencies using leverage trading like Bitcoin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, US token, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and Ripple. So basically there are 8 tokens that you can only trade in BitMEX. What's special in BitMEX is leverage or margin trading. Now, what's margin trading? Now, let's say you want to trade Ripple or let's say Bitcoin, and you think that it could increase to 3% or 5%, and your margin is 10x. So which means that if that happened, your output, your income is not 5%, but rather than it's 50%. So that's how it works. Now let's start the first one. Let's start how to place an order in BitMEX. The first thing I do is I first go to Tradingview. So Tradingview is a website where you can use different technical analysis indicators, so you can predict or you can predict every movement, what will be the possible movement of each different cryptocurrencies. Let's say I will short Ripple as part of this video tutorial. There are only 2 things that you can do in BitMEX. You buy or you long if you think that the market will go up, or you sell or you short if you think that the market will go down. If I want to fill my order right away, I'm just gonna copy paste the price and paste it here at the limit price. Since I want to increase my margin, if I want to trade, or if I'm going to trade Ripple, I'm gonna use 10x. So I click 10x and I will adjust the quantity of my trade. Now, part of what we're sharing to our friends, graduate students, is that you only use 5 to 10% of your trading capital or of your total amount in your account. But since this is just a training or tutorial, just to share with you how I navigate BitMEX, so we'll just use 1%. So you can see your total amount here at the upper right of your screen, and that's around 3 BTC. So I'm gonna use 1%, so that's approximately 0.03 BTC. So I already calculated how many I will short. So that's 3,945. Make sure that your cost should be your X percentage of your trade. So this is my 1% of my trading capital in BitMEX. So let's short Ripple. Click. By the way, don't click don't show again button, because if you click that one, you cannot see or review your trades. So then I'll click sell. Make sure that's 0.03, your cost at 10x. Then sell. So here it is. It is now here. Now don't mind the other open or 2 trades. I already positioned that a while ago. Just take a look. Just take a look here. This one, this is Ripple. So this is the order that we've made a few seconds ago. So that's how to position a trade in BitMEX. Next is how to set stop loss. So in order for you to set your stop loss is you just click stop market. And before you do anything else, change your trigger to mark. And the reason for that is you don't want to burn all your funds in your account. So now my stop loss is, I will go back to Tradingview. All right, so my stop loss is 7,313 cents. So that's 7,313 cents. Now make sure that you have the same quantity here if you're going to place a stop loss. Since our quantity when we place an order is 3,945, make sure it's the same. So now set buy stop 10x. Also that's 10x. Make sure it's 10x. Here you can see that. Then buy. All right. So basically, if you place an order, here's your trade. since I short Ripple, I think that it could possibly decrease or go down to X percentage or 1.50% like what I did. So my stop loss will be at this position. So here's my trade, here's my stop loss, and I'm gonna set my trade at my exit price here. So now, how are we going to set our take profit? Now it's very simple. If you scroll it down your screen, if you go to your BitMEX account, if you scroll your screen, there's a small box at the lower right of your trading panel. Now, what you're going to do here is you just go back to Tradingview and you just simply copy your exit price here in Ripple. So my exit price, my take profit price is this price. It's 7,300. That's it. Here, 31 sat. 7,131 sat. Am I right? Or let's make it 7,130 sat. 7,130 sat. Then click close. Again, don't show it again button. Then make sure it's the same quantity or amount like what you put and you entered in stop loss and your position order. So close that one. And that's it. So that's how we trade, or that's how the basic navigation of BitMEX. So there are other things that you can also use in BitMEX, but those are just the basic navigation on how to place an order, to put a stop loss, and to set your take profit. Now, if I want to cancel my order, what I'm gonna do is, it's just simple. Here's my trade, or here's the position that I made a while ago. So you can see this small X box or cancel close button here at the lower right of your panel. So just click close and set your close order the same as the current price of Ripple in the market. So that's close. So it will automatically go. So it's done. It's gone. Next is just simply go to stop and cancel your stop loss in Ripple. So this is our stop loss. So just cancel this button. Clear. So that's it. So again, I have two existing trades, so don't mind it. Just go through what I shared with you a while ago. So that's how the basics of using BitMEX. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.